Hello viewers, what's up you? I'm Muhammad Sajid Hassan and you're watching Sajid's Take. This video guys, I'm going to talking with you about how you can convert your any MS Office file as your PDF there. And here this process you can convert your any MS Word or MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Database, Access, any type of Microsoft Office file, convert you can in the PDF file. So without further delay, I think I should start this video. Before that here guys, please subscribe my channel if you do so still now. So thanks a lot. Start it. So here in this video guys, I'm going to show you the both two tricks in the online and the offline, how you can convert it in your PDF file. So first of all, show you guys how you can convert your MS Word file as a PDF file or MS Office file as a PDF file by the offline by your MS Office suite there. So first of all, after just making this, and you need to just open your file in your particular MS Office folder there. As it's my MS Word file, so I just open it in my MS Word, and after that just go to the file, and from the file click on the save as there, and from after that you need to just go to the browse, and if you want then you can set it as your wish where you want, and after that just give the file name and then go to the save as type there, and here I have a lot of types, and from here you just select the PDF from there, and here after that it's now time to select it there. And now click on the save, and it's okay for you guys to convert it from the MS Office to the MS Excel there. And here it is, it's my MS Office file is just converted into my PDF file, and here you can see it guys, there is a PDF file there. And here is the process to create a MS Office file into the PDF file in your offline. And here I'll show you guys how you can convert your MS Suite file, that means the MS Office file, in your PDF file by your online. So here it is. In the before I show you guys by docx, that means the MS Word. Now here I'll show you guys with your Excel file. First of all, you need to open your this browser there, and after that just search here as the MS to PDF converter, and here it is the Word to PDF, convert your doc to the PDF file in the simple there. PDF converter, convert to PDF online. Now you need to search here the PDF converter there, and after that it's your PDF is there, and from here you can choose your any file and you can select it there, and here you can convert your any type of MS file from there. Now click here to select is there. Now click here to choose your file, and here it is, it's my Excel file, and here I want to convert it there, and it will take sometime little bit time for you guys to convert it, and after just converting it you'll get it there. And here it is, it's my download button, and after just going to the getting the download button, it's ready for downloading there. And here it is, it's my download is down there, and here it is, this is my PDF file is there, and you can now open it with your PDF user there, and it's okay for you guys. So guys, I hope that you just learned from this video that how you can convert your any type of MS Office, MS Excel or PowerPoint or any type of other file into PDF there. So that's it from me guys. I hope that you just love this video. Then please give a thumbs up this video and comment this video and share this video there. So that's it from me guys. Thanks for watching this video.